All right.
Davian Ferguson, technical director for Jamaica Club.
All right. JC 9 and Cedar Grove 0. Pretty much a comfortable win for you guys today. What do you say about your team performance today? And what is this performance have to do in regards to squad management going forward throughout the season?
Today is a game definitely that we rotated the team as best as we could. We had a few players out by choice, and we really wanted to give opportunities to a few other players in the squad, definitely, and I think they got the opportunity and make use of the opportunity. Also, we had some youngsters who really wanted to play, to get the opportunity, and also they made use of the opportunity.
Top of the table clash coming up over this weekend. What are your expectations? You'll be having a first squad then. What will be your expectations for that game?
Every game that we enter the game with the intention to win. Whether we manage to do that, that's a different story. But we're trying to get our performance a little bit more fine-tuned heading into the next round. First round is still about knowing your options, trying your options, try to see how the combinations actually work. So I think we're still in that phase. Top of the table in the sense that we and St. Catherine is actually at the top. We're playing at home and we expect always to win at home.
With the resting of some of the players, is it an eye for the game so you have all fresh legs for Saturday?
Honestly, we didn't do it with the game on Saturday in mind. We selected a team that we believe had enough to take care of this job. We have a large squad, so we wanted to give every player an opportunity to play. If you look at the squad today, we had about 5, 14 or 15 years old. So you have to also look to the future of the program, giving these youngsters opportunities. So next year they're actually senior players, are actually players with Man Cup experience.
All right, Mr. Ferguson, and good job again, and see you guys on Saturday.
Yeah, man.